Hi you guys, I haven't did one of these car chats in such a long time. I'm so sorry you guys. Just all of my shows that I was talking about in my car chat went off until they come back on at the end of the summer. So yeah, but right now I'm getting ready to go get my first ever professional wax. I've never had one before, not one that was like done at an actual center. I'm going to the European Wax Center, and I'm definitely gonna vlog my experience just to let you guys know the tea on how it is. If you've been subscribed to me a long time, you would know that you guys will know that I wax myself. Yes, I used to wax myself a lot when I was younger, but as I got older, I just started like shaving and stuff. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go get a wax because I'm tired of shaving. A few weeks ago when I was shaving, I actually like cut my clit. So I was like, yeah, we need to start getting waxes. Like, you can't do this anymore. And my appointment is actually at 7:15, and I need to go get gas. Ugh, I wish I didn't have to get gas, but I have to get gas. So I need to hurry up and get this done. If you guys are wondering about my hair, I have a video coming up on this soon. Finally releasing my method to my flip over wig. But yeah, have you guys ever been to the European Wax Center? Let me know. Where the fuck was he finna go? Let me know in the comment section below, because I'm really scared to get it done. Like, I've never had anything like that done. I never really go to the gas station by myself, so this is gonna be interesting. Okay, I guess I enter here. See, y'all, I don't do this. I don't go to the gas station. This is Ricky's stuff right here. I don't know what I'm doing right now. That wasn't too hard, but it was a little confusing. And when getting gas, you guys, you want to always make sure you turn off the car. Always turn off the car. I'll be right back. Y'all, that just blew me. I didn't know that you have to unlock your car to get into the gas little thingy thing. So now I'm headed to the place. Hey. Oh yeah. Hopefully I'm not late. Let's see, where am I going? I really decided to get this wax. I'm really scared though. Like, I have a huge issue with like nudity and letting people like see my body. So this is gonna be strange for me. That was like one of the hardest things to overcome, like when I was pregnant. Just always having another person all up in my hoo-ha. And it's just, it's kind of weird to me, but you know. Okay, y'all. I just hit a bump and I need to fix the camera. Thank God it's a red light. Now it's green. Oh well. Okay. There we go. Now y'all can see me. Y'all, sometimes I be thinking I got a fake Canon G7X from Amazon, because mine isn't clear like everybody else's. Like, everybody else's camera looks so freaking clear. Mine be like, the color be messed up and all type of stuff be going on with this stupid ass camera. I actually ended up getting my camera for free because when I ordered it, Amazon had said it was lost in the mail. So they ended up giving me a refund, and then the next week my camera still came. So I ended up getting like basically a free camera, which I'm really happy about. So I mean, if it's fake or not, this is her.
Hi, I need to call European.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. The phone is breaking up. Can you repeat that? Hello? That's Sprint for you. They probably call him like, bitch, is you still coming to your appointment? I'm coming, you guys. I'm loving this hair. It's an AliExpress company. I actually need to wash it again. I haven't since I've had it on. Y'all still laughing at me for sitting up on the wheel like this. I'm sorry, I can't help it. It's like I can see better or something. We're almost there, people. We're almost there. If y'all don't listen to nothing from J. Cole album, listen to Brackets. Like, this song is so deep.
Get your ass out the house. I say no chill, it ain't no need for that. Them niggas trying to blow and they need me for that.
I would wear a dress today and it's freaking cold. I know this stupid center's over here and there's nowhere to park. I'll park here because I don't see any other parking spots, and I'm just gonna walk down a little bit. We have to pay to park right here. Yeah. I just came from the bathroom because I'm mad nervous. I need these cameras up too high. I need a moment to collect. I can do this. I can do this, okay? Okay, you guys, so I couldn't record in there, unfortunately, but that was an experience. Y'all don't even know, like, talk to y'all while the cars go by, but I do feel like I have a pretty high tolerance for pain. I'm gonna tell y'all more in detail how it felt, but it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse, but it wasn't. Ooh, let me get in the car for all these cars come. But yeah, you guys, it was definitely an experience. I don't want to say it hurts. It's really it's uncomfortable. Like I told you guys, it's really weird spreading eagle for a stranger. But it wasn't that bad. It only took like 15 minutes. So let me get y'all the tea and walk you through everything. Let me cut on the car because it's hot. Look at that pimple right there, y'all. So let me walk y'all through the entire experience. Okay, so I walked in, and then they check you in and they give you like a little packet or something, and those are like referrals, and then you sit and wait. So I waited probably like 5 minutes. Really professional, did not have to wait a long time. I had Andrea, and I'm at the location on State Street, and Andrea was really nice. She kind of was a little stern with me. She didn't like baby me, which I like. I'm glad she like told me basically like, bitch, suck it up, okay, suck it up. So what they have you do is take off your panties, and then they wipe your cooch down like some type of stuff, and then they put baby powder on it, and then they apply the hot wax. They make you hold it or whatever, like hold it back kind of. So they put the hot wax on, and then they like pat it and let it sit, and then they rip it off. And I feel like when they rip it, it doesn't hurt, but it's very uncomfortable. And I feel like when they do like the inner lip area, like that's when it really like stings a little bit. The butt part is really easy until they get like right the little hole part. Like you can take it. Like if I can get it, you can get it. But I think I do have kind of like a high tolerance for pain. Like after you get these piercings and stuff, girl, like nothing hurts anymore. Once you get like your tongue pierced, nothing hurts anymore. Yeah, it was a really good experience. She was really professional. I really liked her, and she did it really fast, and it feels really smooth. She did let me know on your first round you might not get all of the hair, but she did tell me my hair on my vagina is like really fine, because I don't grow a whole lot of hair down there. Like that's why I don't really wax, because I don't have like a bush. I don't have a bush. I don't have a bush under my arms, like nothing. But I am hairy. Like my arms and legs are really hairy. My back, my neck, all of that is really hairy, but like my vagina and armpits not hairy at all. Oh, and now that I'm sitting here, I can kind of feel like it kind of stings a little bit. I don't know, it feels a little weird. It's a little weird. But I'm about to get out of here, you guys. sorry I couldn't vlog my reaction. She told me like corporate doesn't let them do it here, and I've seen so many European wax center videos, so it was really odd to me like you can't record. But yeah, whatever. This is the second time I couldn't record in something. The first time it was like last summer in like Sephora. Now I couldn't record my wax, but whatever. This is the one I went to out right here. It's out here by Hair Cuttery. So that's it, you guys. I'm getting ready to go home, cook something, and I'll talk to you guys next time.